நம்முடைய சாஸ்திரம் ரொம்ப தொன்மையானது. அது நேற்றுக்கு இருந்தது, இன்னைக்கு இருக்கு, நாளைக்கும் இருக்கும். சாஸ்வதோ நிர்திஷ்யதே. இந்த தேசத்துக்கு பாரதம்னு பேர். பாரதம்னா பாவம், ராகம், தாளம். பாவம்னா எக்ஸ்பிரஷன். இந்த எக்ஸ்பிரஷனை தான் ஃபிசிக்கல் பிளேனில் கஃபம் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறோம். ராகம் அப்படின்னா எமோஷன், அதை தான் பித்தம்னு சொல்கிறோம். தாளம் ரிதம், லவ் டப் லவ் டப் லவ் டப் லவ் டப். இந்த ரிதத்தை வாயு, வாதம், வாயு, அனிலம், சம்மீரணம் அப்படின்லாம் சொல்லுவோம். இந்த வாதபித்த கபங்களால் ஏற்படுத்தக்கூடியது தான் இந்த உடம்பு, சரீரம். இந்த உடம்பு அழியக்கூடியது. ஷீயத்தே இது சரீரம். இந்த மனிதனுடைய வாழ்க்கை அஸ்திஹி ஜாயதே வர்ததே விபரிணமதே உபசீயதே நஷ்யதி. பிறத்தல், வளர்தல், பருவமடைதல், சம்பாதித்தல், பொருளீட்டுதல், ஓய்வெடுத்தல், மரணத்தை தழுவுதல் என்று கட்டங்களாக போகிறது. இதை ஒரு ஆயுர்வேத மருத்துவர் கஃபம், கஃபபித்தம், பித்தம், பித்தவாதம், வாயு, மரணம் அப்படின்னு சொல்றோம். இதுல இந்த வாயு என்பது வாதம், வாயு. வாயுனா பொதுமக்கள் ஒரு பக்கவாதத்தையோ முண்டுவாதத்தையோ நினைச்சு கொள்ளக்கூடாது. நம்ம அதுக்கு பின்னாடி வருவோம். நான் பேசுறது தத்துவம், வாதம் என்கின்ற கான்செப்ட். இது உருவமற்றது. ரூபரகிதா ஸ்பர்ஷவான். உருவமற்றது, உணரக்கூடியது. இந்த உருவமற்றது உணரக்கூடியது என்பதை பிரம்மம், பிரம்மா என்று சொல்லுவார்கள். பிரம்மாவுக்கு கோவில் கிடையாது, ஏன்னா அது உருவமற்றது, நிற்குணம், உபாசனை. பிரம்மாவுக்கு டெம்பிள் இல்லை, ஏன்னா வாயுவுக்கு உருவம் கிடையாது. அடுத்தது பித்தம். இந்த பித்தம் தான் சிவன். பித்தா பெரைசூடி பெம்மானே புலித்தோலை அறக்கசைத்து. புலிங்கிறது கூட பித்தம், ரஜஸ். இந்த கோபதாபங்கள் எல்லாம் அந்த புலிகிட்ட தெரியும். அடுத்தது கஃபம் என்பது விஷ்ணு, நித்ரா, யோக நித்ரா. அங்கே கொடுக்கக்கூடிய துளசி கூட கபகரமான கபத்தை தணிக்கின்ற மருந்துகளில் சிறந்தது துளசி. அப்போ இந்த வாதபித்த கபங்கள் பிரம்மா, விஷ்ணு, சிவனாக உருவகப்படுத்தப்பட்டு போற்றி வணங்கப்படுகின்றன. இதையே தான் இச்சா சக்தி, கிரியாசக்தி, ஞான சக்தி அப்படின்னு தந்திர சாஸ்திரத்துல சொல்றாங்க. People call it icha shakti, kriya shakti and jnana shakti. Icha means desire. Desire is produced by pitta. So icha shakti is pitta. Kriya shakti, yabhihi kriyabhihi jayante. All the activities, dynamism is produced by vayu. Jnanam nagi jnanena sadrisham pavitramika vidyate. Gita. Nothing is equal to the jnanam, wisdom. That is kapha. We can compare it to acceleration, brake, clutch. If you put acceleration, it's vayu. Brake, it is kapha. Clutch is pitta. In Tamil, உயிரெழுத்து, மெய்யெழுத்து, ஆயுத எழுத்து. In Saiva Siddhanta, Pasu, Padi, Pasam. Like that, you understand it in various levels once you grow. And as I am interested in neurology very much, I relate it to neuropeptides. Dopamine is it comes under Vata, serotonin comes under Pitta, histamine and GABA comes under Kapha. It's not direct correlation. You are able to visualize the whole world as a projection picture show of these three energies, Vata, Pitta, Kapha. These Vata, Pitta, Kaphas are made up of Panchamahabhutas. Akasham, Vayu, Agni, Apaha, Prithvi. Akasham is Shunyam. Our body is made into various layers: Annamayam, Manomayam, Vijnanamayam, Anandamayam, Pranamayam. In Annamayam, you have Vata, Pitta, Kapha. In Pranamayam, you have Pranan, Tejas, Ojas. In Manomayam, you have Sattvam, Rajas, Tamas. In Vijnanamayam, you have Vichya Sakti, Kriya Sakti, Jnana Sakti. In Anandamayam, you have Om Tat Sat. Ekam Sat. Vipra Bhagudha Vadanti. It's a one that is talked in three terminologies. So the Akasha, one day I went to Chidambaram temple. Then they showed the empty space, Chidakasam, Chidambaram, Chitambaram. I could not see anything. They told Bhagavan, Nirvikara Bhagavan, Swayambhuresha Bhagavan. I realized that it is Vata, perspective of Bhagavan. Then they told that is Arupam. Arupam. First I saw Arupam in Chidambaram temple. Then they showed me the Lingam. Pitta, Rupa, Rupam. Rupam is there but not a clear Rupam. Then they showed me the Nadaraja Peruman, Jnanama Nadaraja Peruman, Kalyana Sundara Murti. Adiverin Padalam Perum, Adigal Mudiverin Mamugad Perum, Kadagam Marindad Kaiverin Van Tisegal Perum, Marindad Matrad Arangi, told by Karakala Mayan about the Nardana. The finger lies on the head of the Rakshasa called Apasmara. Apasmara means seizure, epileptic disorders. So in Chidambaram temple I saw Rupam, Rupa Rupam and Arupam, which is nothing but Vata, Pitta, Kapha. So it is how you see and how you are trained to see by a guru. In BBS you can study in a college, but this is a Vidya. Doctor means, Vaidya means a teacher. Here we have a Gurukulam. So many 15, 19 students are with us studying. We teach them. So this Akasham and Vayu produces Vata. Agni is Pittam, Amba Pradivibhyam Shreshmala. The reason is, we have polluted the world, the Panchamahabhutas. Akasham is polluted. They say there is a hole in the ozone layer. I have not seen, somebody would have seen, but I read. Vayu is polluted, airborne diseases, Prasanga, Gatra Swarsha, all these communicable, Sankramanti diseases, COVID and all. Then water is polluted. You see, Panchamahabhutam is polluted. Water is polluted. You go to a hotel, eat chutney, you get amoebiasis. Sambar, you don't get amoebiasis because sambar is heated. Chutney is not heated. Polluted. Earth is polluted. Earth is how earth is polluted. They put all fertilizers, pesticides, everything. They grow banana, they eat banana and they get stomach cancer. So it is polluted. But Agni is not polluted. Agni is not at all polluted. You cannot pollute Agni. If you touch the Agni, the punishment is same. If Shubhasri touches the Agni, the punishment is same. If Prime Minister, same. In Bogi Pandigai, we put all unwanted things into the Agni. Agni destroys everything and remains unpolluted. And Agni always moves upwards. Angiyade urdhvam gachati iti Agni. Urdhvaredam Virubhaksham Vishwarupaya Vai Namaha. Vishwarupaya Vai Namaha. Om Namayadi. It takes you upwards, it takes your consciousness upwards. That is why Jadaragni, Budagni, Dadavagni, Kamagni, all Agni. Men are considered as Soma, Chandra. Women are Agni. The testosterone, semen, is white in color. Artavam, menstrual fluid, is red in color. Soumya Agneyam Jagat. That is why if you go to a Hindu temple, they have painted white and red, denoting Shiva and Shakti. They would have painted any other color. They didn't take that. It was not a random selection. It is a very specific selection. Shiva Shakta Yukta Yedibhavati Shakta Prabhavati. It is Ardhanarishwara. In men, you have estradiol. In women, you have testosterone. Testosterone is high, you get PCOD. If estradiol is high, you get gynecomastia. These are all the varieties that exist. Now coming to this Vada. Vadam can be talked in two perspectives. Vadam is the catalyst. Among the three doshas, Vadam activates Pitta and Kapha. Pittam is inactive, Kapham is inactive, Vada makes it active. It is like going in an auto. The front wheel is Vada, back two wheels are Pitta and Kapha. The man who is sitting, the auto driver, is Purusha. Acceleration, brake and clutch. Acceleration is Vada, brake is Kapha, clutch is Pitta. And you travel. Auto is also a Vada Vahanam. Very unstable and very uncertain. Sometimes it lifts and it can penetrate and go, do all Vishamagati, Vimarga Gamanam, everything it can do. So this Vadam, when it is disturbed by the body, by your diet, activity, psychiatric factors, seasonal changes, age, you get lot of Vada problem. Many people think Vadam is rheumatology, neurology. No, you have Vada problem in pulmonology, you have Vada problem in endocrinology, you have Vada problem in neonatology. Everywhere. Charaka talks about 81 Vada Rogas, 80, but 81 is Satrena Gachadi, 81 diseases are there, but 80 is told 80. Among the 80 diseases, only one endocrinology and only one pulmonology. Remaining 28 diseases are Vada Vyadis. Probably prevalence. There are 4 bigger chapters in Ayurveda. The 4 big chapters are Jwaram, Kasam, Gulmam and Rasayanam. Around 172 slokas to 184 slokas. The most beauty of Ayurveda is the small chapter is Hridroga, heart diseases, so-called heart diseases. It's a very small chapter. Jwaram is a very big chapter. Jwaram, fever comes under Jwara. Jwaram is a very broad spectrum word. Why did they write only minimum slokas for heart diseases? The prevalence was less. So number of slokas were less, other diseases prevalence were high. So this Vada, when it is disturbed, disturbance starts with Mandagni. There is Agni, digestive fire. All the metabolic disturbances are produced by impairment of this fire. Once the fire is normal, Shante Akkunum Mriyadevite Shiranjivitvanamaya. The fire is in the middle part of the body, Madhya Pradesh. The body, you have Akasha, you have Vayu, you have Agni. வயத்தறிச்சல் இங்கே தான் வரும், தொடையில் வயத்தறிச்சல் வராது. அப்பா அவன் அண்ணா இருக்கானே, இங்கே தான் வயிறு எரிச்சல் ரிஃப்ளெக்ஸ். எர்த், வாட்டர், பிளாடர், வாட்டர், மீடியல் சப்பம்பிளிக்கல் ஸ்வெல்லிங், டல் ஆன் பர்கஷன் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம் கிளினிக்கல் மெடிசனில். ஸோ இந்த வாயு gets disturbed. Vada kalam starts after 50. Vayoho ratri bhuktana mandamadhyadiga krama. The Vadam is disturbed, and when it involves various dhatus, everything in the body, by the disturbance of Agni, you get Vada Vyadi. Charaka contributes a chapter called Vada Kalakaliyam. Hitam nartham. Kalakaliyam na hita hitam nartham. Pitta Kalakaliyam ille. Kafa Kalakaliyam ille. Anji pittamun jaragathal ille. Anji kafamun jaragathal ille. Nadi jaragathal ille. Jaragarukku nadi theriyala சொல்ல முடியுமா? எல்லாம் வெரைட்டிஸ், எல்லாம் அப்படி சாஸ்திரங்கள் அப்படிலாம் இருக்கு. ஆமபக்வாசி மத்தியஸ்தம் பஞ்சமகா பூதாத்மகத்வேபி தேஜோகுண உத்கர்ஷாத் க்ஷபித க்ஷோமகுணாத் त्यक्त द्रव स्वभावाद सगकारी कारणे वायु क्लेदादिभिर दगनपाचनादिक्रियाः लब्धं लब्धाग्नि सप्तम पित्तम अन्नं पचति सारकट्टैः विभजति शेषाणि च पित्तस्थानानि तत्रस्थमेव अनुग्रहणात्. और अनुग्रहम blessing. இந்த வாயும் அக்னியும் ஒழுங்கா வேலை செய்கிறது ஒருத்தனுடைய blessing. இந்த வாழ்க்கையில நான் 22 வருஷமா படிச்சுட்டு இருக்கேன். டெய்லி படிக்கிறேன், காலம்பரை படிக்கிறேன், ராத்திரி படிக்கிறேன். என்ன தெரியும்னு கேட்டா ஒண்ணுமே தெரியாது. படிக்க படிக்க ரொம்ப சின்னதா தெரியும். ஒண்ணுமே ஒரு காலத்துல எல்லாம் தெரியும்னு சொன்னோம். ஒன்றும் தெரியலையேப்பா. அல்பஸ்ஸ காலோ பகவஸ்ஸ விக்னஹா. காலம் ரொம்ப குறைவா இருக்கு. சிரமங்கள், கொரோனா வந்துடுது, என்னெல்லாமோ சிரமங்கள். மருந்து கிடைக்கிறது இல்லை, மூலிகைகள் இல்லை, வைத்தியம் பண்றதுக்கு ஆள் இல்லை, மக்களுக்கு நம்பிக்கை இல்லை, அவசரம். பகவஸ்ஸ விக்னஹா. இப்ப என்ன பண்ணணும்னா யத் சாரபூதம் தது உபாசிதவ்யம். சாரமா இருக்கிற பூதம் அஷ்டாங்க ஹிருதயத்தை பிடிச்சுக்கோ. உபாசிதவ்யம் அதான் கேரளாவில் அஷ்டாங்கிறது இந்த போடு போடுறது. பட் நான் சங்கரகம் தான் படிக்கணும்னு சொல்லிட்டு இருக்கேன். சங்கரகம் தான் படிக்கணும்.
இங்கிலீஷ் 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 தமிழ் அப்படி.
ஓ தமிழ். So this Vata, when it is disturbed, it can enter into the tissues and dhatus in the body and produce various diseases. We will talk about few common diseases. First one is Sandhigata Vadam. I study modern medicine equally. Charaka is a rishi for me. Davidson and Harrison are also rishi for me. So I use modern medicine with a privilege. I talk about modern medicine also. Asthigata, Sandhigata Vadam. Many people come to you with knee pain. They have altered gait. They may not be able to flex and extend the knee joint. They call degeneration, Vrukshashidam. The cartilage is destructed. Sometimes it will attain a bow-shaped deformity called Janu valgum. Sofam, Sulam, Prasarana, Akunchanayogo, Pravrittim cha Vedana. Flexion and extension will become painful. Mutuvari. This is a very common disease. This is a Vada problem. Mutuvari, Muttutevu, need degeneration, Sandhivada. People come to Ayurveda. They go to Alavadi, they take X-ray and tell knee should be replaced. Here first we tell Patya. You should reduce spicy food. You should avoid curd. You should avoid day sleep. You should do exercise. Quadriceps, hamstring and vastus medialis. Vastus medialis is very important exercise to be done. Weight reduction. Central adiposity should be reduced. You walk in straight line very well. Young girls, when they get up in a staircase and they come down, they get pain. That is called chondromalacia patella, degeneration of patella, ceratite. We ask them, do you have a problem in the teeth? They say, most of them say, yes, there is a connectivity between hull and knee joint. So if you go to Ayurvedic doctor, where he will see whether you are obese or lean. In obese, they give Rasna, Saptagam, Kashayam, Abha, Gugulu. In Vada, Kapharogas, Taila Snegavanam is indicated. So they give Dhanvandaram, Sakajaradi Tailam. They apply some paste. Then they apply oil. And they give various enemas. They give rasayana like lashunam, garlic, and they strengthen this. X-rays, AP and lateral views are taken. You can see broken, loose bodies of the bone called syndesmophytes that can irritate. Sometimes surgery will help. Many times Ayurveda will help. In my practice, I do not know about others. In my practice, I have success, I have failures. Any practice is subjected to hypersensitivity, bad prognosis, all these things. So this is osteoarthritis. This is affected in weight-bearing joint. It is a degeneration in the Kaduthi, cervical spine, you call it spondylosis. In the back, you call it lumbar spondylosis. Grivagraham, Kadigraham. It's only a word. Korangu, you call it monkey. Grivagraham, Kadigraham. It's translation. But inside that, what happened to the dosha? Doshahi nanavida dushti dushtena prakritava, vaikritava, anubantyarupava, anubantarupava, ekashova, tishova, tashova, samastova, annesha, bhavairva, rukshadivihi, doshagi vigalpanai, vigalpamana, vigalpayanti vikara. It is the minute doshic combination. College can give you degree. A guru can give you wisdom. Who is a guru? Shrotravyaha, he should have heard from another guru. Shastra Nishtaha, he should be able to quote the Shastra. Prayojya Yuktaha, once you go to the OP, you should see patients there. Sampradaya with fourth one. Vaidya Vidya Sampradaya Kartribhyo, Vaidya Rishibhyo, Magadhyo, Namo Gurubhyaha. You should represent the holy tradition of healing. Therapy becomes healing only when the healer is involved. You are a healer, you are not a physician, you are not a doctor. You are a healer. Healing comes from inner consciousness. You should enter into the patient. Adurasya Antaratmanam Jnana Buddhi Pradeepena. With the light of wisdom, may God, I enter into the heart of the patient to heal his worst disease called ignorance, tamas. Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya. So this Sandhigata Vadam, you go to Some doctors, they give 2 kashayam, 3 kashayam, mixing 2 oils, 3 oils, guggulus, so many medicines. They all depend on companies. Companies gives in bottles, companies grow. Every Ayurvedic doctor should know how to make medicine. By knowing that, you will be making quality medicine and price can be drastically reduced and you will be thorough with the herbs. You talk so much and if you are dependent completely on a company. So we do not know what is added. Dasamulam, can you put your head inside and see whether Dasamulam is added? You cannot order Dundugam, Shonagam. I am living in a village. Kanyakumari district has got greatest species diversity. We have problems in collecting the medicine. If one medicine is not available, we don't do that. Students, we give practicals to do. Mula Siddhantam, diagnosis, Guna based diagnosis, plant identification, preparation, Chikitsa, modern orientation. This is what 22 years, around 7 lakhs cases we have treated. So this is Bhagavan's grace. Now coming to the neck pain. You have flexion, extension, lateral bending, rotation. You have pain. People come to you with neck pain, paresthesia, numbness of hand, unsteadiness in walking and dizziness. Again, Sthanika dosham is kapham. For Ayurvedic doctors, few doctors I am telling, Sthanika dosham is kapham, Agantaka dosham is vayu, Sthanika dosham is shidam, Agantaka dosham is shidam, Ushna prakriya, Shide, Shidam, Pratikaraha, Ushne cha Ushna nivaranam, Varna virashayam, Abha Guguru, Karpasastya. They think using stethoscope is modern medicine. So this Vadavyadi come to the back pain, the Apana Vayu should flow downwards. Apana Anulomanam. Anulomanam, some people interpret movement of Vayu in the downward pathway. It is not correct. Panchaprana Apana Vayu Kizhmugama Iyanganam. பசிச்சு சாப்பிடணும், 2 நேரம் மோஷன் போகணும், ராத்திரி பல் தேய்க்கணும், இடையில் குடியேன் கடையில் மறவே. You should not drink water in between, you should not forget at the end. Tamil I am working a lot of things in Tamil. I enjoy reading Tamil. Siddha. Say in years I am studying Siddhartha from master. ஆனைக்கு ஒரு காலம் வந்தால் பூனைக்கு ஒரு காலம் வரும். Tamil people understand, others just hear it. Shravana matrena mukti. Sureshwaracharya told, you hear and you will be liberated. Shravana matrena mukti. Yesterday only Shankara Jayanti was celebrated. ஆனைக்கு ஒரு காலம் வந்தால் பூனைக்கு ஒரு காலம் வரும். ஆனையா பூனையானா? இல்லப்பா, ஆனை பசுவினுடைய நெய்க்கு ஒரு காலம் வந்ததுன்னா பூ நெய், பூவினுடைய நெய் தேனுக்கு ஒரு காலம் வரும். இதுக்கு என்ன அர்த்தம்னா, ஆனை வாதபித்த சமனம், பூனை கேட்டில் பூவின் நெய் பித்தகப சமனம். இப்படி எல்லாம் பழமொழிகள். ஒரு காலத்தில் நான் என் குரு கூட இருக்கும்போது ஏணி தோணி வாத்தியார் நார்த்தங்காய்னு சொன்னேன் அவர்கிட்ட. ஏணி ஏற்றி விடும் ஏறாது, தோணி கடத்தி விடும் கிடக்காது. 5ஆம் கிளாஸ் வாத்தியார் 5ஆம் கிளாஸில் பாடம் இருப்பதும் நான் படித்த ஐஏஎஸ் ஆகிடுவான், நார்த்தங்காய் செமிக்க வைக்கும் செமிக்காதுன்னு அவர் ஒரு செமினாரில் சொல்லிட்டு, அந்த மகாத்மா வைத்தியநாதன் சார் இது மாதேவன் சொன்னான்னு சொன்னார். அப்பேற்பட்ட குருட்ட படிக்க கிடைச்சது நான் செய்த பாக்கியம். மகாத்மா அந்த மாதிரி பாடம் இப்ப இல்லை. ஓகே, we come to other diseases. You have pain here, carpal tunnel syndrome. We categorize this point, Agni Karma. 3 days sitting, pain will be gone. Tennis elbow, golfer's elbow, Agni Karma, pain will be gone. In rheumatoid arthritis, there will be swelling. We apply leeches. A leech will suck the impure blood. Its saliva contains pyridine, which is anticoagulant. So blood will not clot. We use sterile leeches because of the fear of hepatitis C and HIV. Sterile leeches are used. Even leeches are used in meibomian cyst. Could be gone. Varthmapidak acid is used. There are so many diseases. Stroke. Most of the stroke, most of the Bell's palsy, trigeminal neuralgias, Parkinson's. Dementia is a Vada Vyadi. We have Methya Rasayanam, Vallare, Brahmi, Ashwagandha, Vada reducing Methya Rasayanam, Gridam. You should take ghee every day. In the chapter of psychiatry in Ayurveda, not even a single kashayam is mentioned. Only ghees are mentioned, 23 ghees are mentioned. Gridam pitva madhujar gavyam viveva putram. My grandfather used to drink ghee like this. He had dementia, mild form of dementia at the age of 80. He has forgotten the name of my party, Sarada. Charaga he didn't forget. Adado Virganji Vidiyam Adhyayam Vakya Samaha. 1 hour he will tell, up to Indriyo Vakramam chapter he will tell. Gridam. Modern medicine say anything which is fat soluble alone can cross blood-brain barrier. Rishis were not knowing. It is called arsham. Rishi Yoga idam Vaidya Vidya Sampradaya Kartarpyo. It is arsham. It is a tradition, holy tradition. So dementia, Parkinson, stroke, ataxia, you call by any name, they are Vada Vyadi. Giving name to a disease is for some other purpose. At the innermost level of healing, it's not needed. Primary idiopathic thrombocytopenic purpura, or name of a disease. Pitta Dushti in Rasta Dhatu. Kasappe Tikta Rasa Ushadas. Vasa Guduchya. It's all simple. It heals. Virejana heals. So cleaning the colon, Koshtam and Agni are very important. So calcaneal pain, many people are unable to stand in the morning, they get pain. Vada Kantagam. Madhavanidhana uses the word Kudagavadam. It is a marmam. Gulfedo, Manigandedo, Dvede, Kurchisiramsite. Rujagarani Janiyad Ashtovimsadi Buddhiman. It's a marmam. You do Agni Karma, Ukuliditha Gada, Snagapanam, Morivanna Pidichal. Bandaging, then knee pain, then hip pain, then pelvic pain, lumbar pain. How many people improper posture, traveling, they get lumbar pain. Posture correction, purgation, vasti. Giving enema, medicated enema to the colon. Colon is connected to the brain. Colon is everything. Pakvasayo Visheshana. Gut-brain mechanism is a very big topic. It's a huge topic. I was 15, 20 years before I started Vasti. Almost all the Vastis we have done. Now my students do, since 5 years, I don't do any Kriyas. So these are all the varieties that exist. Rheumatoid arthritis is a very challenging problem. Women are affected, smaller joints are affected. They come with pain, they come with stiffness. We have to admit them, give Snegavana, Gridapana in an increasing dosage. Then we have to do Pitta increasing diet. Then we should do a purgation. Then you should do a milk-based enema. Then we should give medicines like Shavanaprasham Vardhamana Vimbari based on the dosha avastha. Rheumatoid arthritis. There is another condition called the SLE, systemic lupus erythematosus. Pitta Pradhanya Vadaraktam. We have treated. They get abortion all the time. Putragni Yoni Vyabhat. I went to Charaka Samhita, 4th chapter. There is a yogam called Prajastabana Ganam. So we made Prajastabana Gridam and did Vasti, Nasyam, everything. She became pregnant. They don't market. I am very much worried about the cases that are not healed. The healed cases we don't talk. There is a patient came, we cure. We are not curing. That doesn't give you joy. But if you get a patient and the patient is not recovering, it gives pain. Karmanye va adhikaraha te ma paleshu. Not possible. It's a beautiful reference. But we have to do our duty in healing. And there is a reference in Charaka Samhita. Maitreyi was asking to Atreya, Chadushpadam is correct, Vaidyan is correct, Vaidyan is well qualified, he knows everything. Medicine is correct, he treats the case, it's a failure. Quacks comes in the TVs and other things, do all gimmicks, give some medicines. I know one doctor, very famous doctor, very famous doctor. He was treating avabhagam, shoulder arthritis. Like condition, avagam is not shoulder arthritis. For your understanding, I tell them. I asked him, what do you give? He told, I give Kudajarishta. Then I kept quiet. I asked him, what do you keep quiet? Then what do you want me to talk? We'll have a cup of tea. So this man gave Kudajarishta and the patient says he is better. These also exist, but I am a teacher, I cannot do that because when I write, I have 19 students, MD students. Handling MD students very difficult. They study every day, they come and challenge us. We have to study to challenge them. So these things, this Atreya asked, when I have everything perfect, my treatment failure, other patient is okay, treatment is a success. What is the use of treatment? Treatment has no meaning. Mithyavadi Maitreya. Beautiful. For walking in a seat, when fellow fell down, for crossing him, you give your hand. If he is capable of getting up, let him get up. If he is not capable, let him lie down. But don't cross without giving your hand. Yavat kandagada pranaha tavat karyam chikitsidam. You talk about ethics. So many, the book is full of ethics. I have not seen such a whole and complete book like Charaka Samhita. Katita Purushiyam, 22 years I am studying. Still, I feel very handicapped. I feel I do not know very much. Other Vadavyadi is stroke. Many of these strokes are curable. Stroke depends on age, nidana, agni, koshta, site of lesion and intensity of lesion. Vasti, Shirovasti, Nasyam, exercise therapy, integrated approach. All these things help very much. So most of the disorders are man-made disorders, lifestyle disorders, Sandarpaniya disorders. I have seen people coming to me with overeating. I have not seen anybody who is having starvation and because of starvation I am suffering, Dr. Mahadevan. I have not seen anybody. All Amayukta Vigaras, everybody means Gandharvastadi, Vaishvanara, Rasonadi, Avayarishtam, Laganavasti, Uddhavatam. Though this is a yajna, this is a upasana, Ayurvedam, upasnahe. Beautiful, Bhava Prakasha says. You don't call it prescription, don't call it practice, don't call it case. Don't call, I have got an admission to do, I am doing upasana, Ayurveda, upasana. Yet sarabodham tadu upasidavyam. Vadavyadi is a very vast topic. Vigalpa samprapti. दोषागे विकल्पने विकल्पमाना विकल्पयन्ति इति विकारा. Sthaniga dosham is kapha. The pain is due to vayu. Agandaga dosham is vayu. Sthaniga dosham is shidam. Agandaga dosham is shidam. The gunam is shidam, not karam or sukshma. So you have to do a ushna prakriya like Kotajuga. So first three gunas in every shloka is used for guna samprapti in selection of medicine. Opposite of first three becomes the therapy. Ruksha, Snigdha, Lahu, Guru, Shida, Ushna. These are all the explanations that can be given. The best thing to learn guna samprapti, vikalpa samprapti, amsamsa kalpana. Theoretically read Kushta Chikitsa of Saraka Samhita. Beautiful explanation is given. The best thing I advise, come and sit with me for 15 days. You don't have to study. Why should you study? I tell my students, you don't have to study. Some students struggle so much to study. They come to me, I tell them, you don't have to study. Don't strain. I have already studied. Just follow me. The best thing, easiest thing is to live with the master who does it every day. This is simple and effective. Tell them. So, anything else? Langanam Patyam, Madhyame Langana Bhadanam, Prabhude Shodhanam. There are two schools of thoughts in North India. Amavadam is different. South India, Amavadam is different. You can call Vadaraktam Amavastha. That problem will be solved. You start with Tikta Rasa, Kadu Rasa, Ushadas. Amavadhanam, Tikta Bhadanam, Kadu Bhadanam is there. Tikta Bhadanam, Kudu Chayadi, Sudarsanam, Amrudarashtam, Vilvadi Guliga. Kadubhadanam, Indugandam, Panjagola Yavagu, Panjagola Asavam, or Kadubhadanam. Then Rukshasvedam you have to do. Then you should go for Vaidaranavasti, Ksharavasti. Avoid oil application. Snehadi, Vridimapnodi, Surya Medadeo Dishi. Vijare, Yugavatsavi, Grinado, Kubisho Prisham. Application of oil is prevented. If you consider so-called rheumatoid as Amavadam, use Tiktarasa, Madhurasa, Snega Yukta Virejana, Snega Vasti, Shira Vasti, Rasayana, Valada Prayoga. Like this you approach. Approach is very simple. Langana, Langana Padana, Tikta Padana, Kadu Padana, Vaidarana Vasti, Shara Vasti, Simhanada Gugulu, Amavadagara Kashayas can be given. Kashayas, you cannot select it from Vadarakta Chikitsa. Vadarakta Chikitsa, you cannot select medicines for Amavada because they are Tikta Madura in nature. Sadavari Chinna Rukwadi, Madura Diktam. Bala Sadavariyadi, Madura Diktam. Kogilaksham, Dikta Maduram. So, separate Kashayas like Rasayarandadi, Navakarshigam, Pachanamrudam has to be selected. Never apply Pudichal, Navarakiri, all these things. Do Valuga Svedam. At the end, do Vardhamana Vipali. That will be bringing very good results. Amavadam, probably every college they would have thought very well. Whatever I have experienced, I have told. Simple thing, Tiktarasam, Kadarasam, Tiktavadana, Kaduvasana, Vesidam, Yukti. Vasti, important, Kshara Vasti, Vaidarana Vasti. There is no other way. These two Vastis are told in Chakradatta. There is another Vasti called Ardhamatrika Vasti, told by Chakradatta in Vadarakta, that can also be tried. Gomutra Vasti can be tried. Chattvarastaila Gomutra Vasti Ashtamadri Uttara, that can also be tried. I think this is the way you treat it. Most of the cases beautifully respond. Deformities under condition, they don't respond. First, you should have a very clear idea about Vadaraktam and Amavada. It depends on the school where you study. Karnataka school style is different. Tamil Nadu school style is different. Thiruvananthapuram, where I studied, the style is different. But avastam prapya nirdishtam. You see, Chakravani, Chakradatta wrote Kushta, the Vasti Jigisa. In Vasti Jigisa, one question comes. Can you give Vasti in Kushta? Vasti in Kushta is not told, of course. Panchadikta Vasti in Janakasiddhi is there, very rare. Vasti cannot be given. The Chakravani says, Avastam prapya nirdishtam kushtinam Vasti karmaja. When the avastas are demanding, Vaidya is having the liberty to do Vasti and Kushta itself. So like that, Chikitsa is Yukti. Yukti is Anubhava. So based on that, that is why every Ayurvedic student, after completion of the course, should live with a true master and get trained. There are very good teachers available in Tamil Nadu, Kerala. In Chennai also good teachers are there. You should go to them and learn. They are very committed, honest, loyal to Ayurveda. Beautiful, wonderful teachers are there. I am in the southernmost Padavasya Viswa Godani. I am in the end part of India. I was coming to Chennai nowadays. I don't go anywhere. I ask everybody to come here. Amavadam can be treated very well. Samavadam, Amavadam, Vadaraktam. It's a big topic. 5 hours class. I take the students are sitting here. It's a 5 hours class. But the essence, Sarabhudam, I have told. Some people who intend to do modern medicine, modern orientation, if ASO is positive, Amavadam, RA is positive, rheumatoid, they are all wrong. It has nothing to do with this. It's an entirely different, big, vast topic. It must be clinically. These are important, but not properly understood. Mani enna? எவ்வளோ நேரம் பேசினேன்?
1 hour ஆகிடுச்சு சார். இப்போ வந்து விஷயம் சார்
போகிறோம்
டைமில் வராங்க. அவ்வளோ சார்.
All these Ashimers, the Medhya Dravyas are Tikta Rasa in nature. It is a shock for many people. In Manorogas, not even a single Kashayam is mentioned, only Girdas are mentioned. Everybody while treating Vada Vyadi start with the Kashaya. Where is Kashaya mentioned in Vada Vyadi? Sagadaradi is mentioned. Where it is mentioned? Urustamba. Is Urustamba a Vada Vyadi? You may tell it is told in Nanatmajam. Urustamba is not a classical Vada Vyadi. 2 Kashayas are mentioned in Brihatrayis. One is Bhadradarvadi, Susrutam Akshevakam. Another one is Sagadaradi, Urustamba. So these Alzheimer's, short-term memory, brain has got 3 functions. Recording, retaining, recalling. Recording is kapha, retaining is pitta, recalling is vayu. All the Alzheimer's types of diseases comes under Vada dementia, Vada smriti pramsa. Multi-infarct dementias comes under pitta dementia. Kapha types comes under atherosclerotic Lewy body dementias. Textual references I need not quote you, it is there in the text. Vada dementia, Madhura Rasa Pradhanya Medya Dravyas are selected. Gridam, Swarnam, Shadavari, Yashtimadu, Kushmandam are selected. Pitta Pradhanya Mano Dushti Roga, Smriti Pramsa, Tiktavadaram is selected. Kuduji, Brahmi, Manduga Brahmi, Yendri, etc. Kapha Pradhanyam, Kadurasam Medyam is selected. Lashunam, Jyotishmari, Tippali, Shankapushpi, Vasha, Rudraksham. Rajayavana Vasti is given. Nassim in Uttara Mastra is given. Mukyadamam Indriyanam Prasadanam. Kshiravara Avartida Nassim Shirovasti. We will get improvement, mild to moderate. Mild cognitive impairment stage, we should pick up the case. Established Alzheimer's is difficult. Few recover, few do not recover. This is based on the Lakshanas. Vikriti Parampara. Vikriti Parampara hi eva Paramartido Rogaha. You should understand the Vikriti Parampara. Lakshana, Samugam. Then you know differentiate Vadada, Pittada, Kapha. For that you have to by heart the slokas. Vada Lakshana you should know. Then only Sramsavyasa Vedaswava Sadha Ruktoda Vedanam Sanka Angalamka Sankoja Vatta Karshana Darshana. You apply. Again, if you have difficulty in by hearting, if you have difficulty in understanding, if you feel you studied from a useless college, if you feel your college did not have enough patience, some people who complete BAMS and immediately become professors and lecturers, you feel very sorrowful, you pray to God to give you a good master. The master will take care of everything. Actually, in a true sense of reality, when a patient comes to you with a sickness, your Prakriti assessment will be wrong. You cannot assess the Prakriti when there is a problem. You should ask him, how was your appetite long back? What taste you were liking long back? How did you sleep 5 years before? So during Vikriti Avastha, you can do Nadi or some signs and symptoms. Other than that, Prakriti assessment is basically for prevention, understanding, lifestyle modification, selecting the Rasayana, selecting the dosage of Snegapana. In certain conditions it is useful. But in Vikriti Avastha, we write Prakriti. Every student write Prakriti, every hospital write Prakriti. But from my experience I tell, during difficult pathology in a sick case, we concentrate on Vikriti. When Upadrava dominates, you should stand in the Upadrava. After recovering, for prevention and to lead a healthy life, to avoid certain things and to adopt certain things, Prakriti is needed. There is a problem. They come to me and I tell Vada Kapha Prakriti. They go to Dr. X will tell Kapha Vada Prakriti. You will be under confusion. So Prakriti up to some extent is needed. Then likewise there are many things, Saram, Samhananam, not very much needed in practice. I have studied Saram, Samhananam, Charaga Vimanam. Not much useful. Prakriti is needed up to some extent for prevention. Prevention, Prakriti, ultimate. Curation, Vikriti knowledge is ultimate. Amavastha, Paschimana. See, to understand these stages, you should go through Jwara Chikitsa, Because all the avastha, samavastha, paschyamanavastha, pakvavastha, uttanavastha, gambhiravastha, ashugari-avastha, chiragari-avastha, antarvega-avastha, bhagirvega-avastha, prakritavastha, vaikritavastha, prakriti-avastha, vikriti-avastha, leena-avastha, chaya-avastha, pragobha-avastha, prasara-avastha, sthana-samstraya-avastha, vyakti-avastha, Veda-avastha, Upatrava-avastha. All the avasthas are told in Jura. It is direct. You know the sloga, you correlate with the patient, you know what is Amam. Amaniramam, Snegade, Vridhimapnodi, Pakka-dosha, Apakka-dosha, Dosha-bhagam, Dada-bhagam, Dosha-bhagam, health, Dada-bhagam, disease. Avasthas can be understood very easily by reading Jara Chikitsa thoroughly. In the first slogan itself it is there. Everybody had talked about this. I will tell. First is stress. Stress is needed. Positive stress is needed. It helps in growth. Negative stress is not needed. Chintyanam cha adhichintanaad rasaha sampradushani. This is a very big stress because uncertainty is certain. We do not know what to do. Immunity is ojas. Balam, we call it balam. Balam is Trividam. Can you ask any Ayurvedic student what are all the three types of bala? What are all the three types of bala? Can any Ayurvedic doctor tell? Balam is Trividam. Vada balam, pitta balam, kapha balam. Balam tasya hi vidbalam. Radayakshma, vada balam. Agnimule balam pumsa, pitta balam. Pragritastu balam sleshma, kapha balam. So this vada balam, pitta balam, kapha balam, pitta balam, agni balam is important. Tasmad agnim sada rakshe. Agni has to be protected. Aharas, Kadu Amla Lavana Varjida Aharas, Rajasa Sreshta, Dukkha Amaya Prada, Gita says. Healthy foods, Satmi Aharas, what is taken in the family, warm food, Maunena Bhaktavyam, eating, chewing, taking ghee, taking Shavanaprasam, Triphala, Idgandagradam, Shatphalagradam. There is no one medicine. Government and other people, even I have written, the students have asked, I have written a protocol, it's available. Today only we launched it, Ayurvedic protocol for COVID-19. Beautifully it has come. But based on, again you asked the Prakriti, if it is Vadam, you take Indrigandham, Pittam, you take Pushmandam, Kafam, you take Kandakari. So this is how you select. Generally, Nitya Rasayanas, Triphala, Draksha, Patola can be taken every day. Milk can be taken. Grishma Rudu, little Divasopranam is okay. Then all Vada aggravating, this Prasangadi, Gatra Samsparsadi, Nishwasa, Sagavojana, Sagaseksyasanasa, Vivatramalyanilevana, Kushtam Jaram cha Sosham cha Netravishyandi evaja Upasarki Garogasya Sankramanti Naranare. The social isolation, Namaskaram, Vanakkam. இதெல்லாம் பழைய காலத்திலே சொன்னது தானே, இப்போ ரொம்ப ஜாஸ்தியா இருக்கு. The corona, if you are having good ஆரோக்கியம், ஆரோக்கியஸ்ய பாவஹ, swastham, the word for health is swastham. Swastham is not the health what you talk about. Swe tishtati iti. Self-realization is swastha. Self-actualization, very urgent. நல்லா சாப்பிடுங்கோ, ரெஸ்ட் எடுங்கோ, ஃபேமிலியோட ஸ்பெண்ட் பண்ணுங்கோ, எக்ஸசைஸ் பண்ணுங்கோ, படுத்து தூங்காதீங்கோ, தயிர் சாப்பிடாதீங்கோ, புளிப்பு சாப்பிடாதீங்கோ. என் குருநாதர் கடைசி வரைக்கும் புளிப்பு சாப்பிடாதீங்கன்னு சொன்னார். புளிப்பு சாப்பிடாதீங்கோ, ரசாயனங்களை சாப்பிடுங்கோ. கஷாயங்கள் எல்லாம் வந்ததுக்கு அப்புறம் உள்ளது வேற, வராமல் தடுப்பது வியாதி உட்பாதக பிரதிபந்தகத்துவம், வியாதி பல விரோதித்துவம். வராமல் தடுக்கும் மருந்துகளை சாப்பிட வேண்டும். குறியீடு உள்ளவர்கள் வந்ததை தணிக்கும் மருந்து. நான் வந்த நோய்க்கு யாரோ பேசிட்டே இருக்கார். வந்த நோய்க்கு பத்திய கஃபஜரத்துல பத்தியா குஸ்தும்பராதி, வியாக்ராதி, கோரோஜனாதி, முக்கடுவாதி எல்லாம் கொடுத்துட்டு தான் இருக்கேன். ஓப்பிலே கொடுக்குறோம். இருமல் சளி தொண்டை வலி எல்லாம் நன்னா தான் கேட்டுட்டு இருக்கு. யாருக்கு இருக்கு இல்லைன்னு அதிகமாக டெஸ்ட் பார்க்க முடியல. லட்சணங்களோடு வரான், மருந்து கொடுத்தா குணமாயித்தான் போறான். ஒரு சிலருக்கு நவைத்தியோ பிரபுராயுஷகான்னு சொல்ற மாதிரி மரணம் வந்துடுறது. என்னைக்காவது ஒரு நாள் அது வரதான் செய்யும். அது இந்த நோய் வந்து கொடுமையான நோயாக இருக்கு. பிரார்த்தனைகளும் பண்ணதான் செய்யணும். என்னால் அந்த பகவான் தான் நம்மளெல்லாம் காப்பாற்றணும். என் குருநாதர் ஞானானந்த சுவாமிகள், வடப்புறம் தட்சிணாமூர்த்தி சுவாமிகள், யோகானந்த சுவாமிகள் எல்லாம் சித்த பரம்பரைகள். மாணவர்களுக்கு நான் சொல்றதெல்லாம் நல்லா படிங்க. ஆயுர்வேதம் படிக்கிறது ஒரு பூர்வ ஜென்ம புண்ணியம்.